This is Aviation in the Archives. It's an open house and paper airplane competition. Open house essentially means that we just have materials that are out on the tables for people to come and interact with. The displays in the cases here, each case is from a different collection. It contains stuff from aviation and aircraft safety to the launches of the Apollo and Gemini missions and all sorts of stuff in between. It's a lot of really cool, really neat stuff. You can walk off the street. If you're a Virginia Tech student, you can walk into Special Collections and say, hey, I want to see this material. If you are a member of the Blacksburg community with no other affiliation to Virginia Tech, you can walk in and say, hey, I want to look at this material. If you live across the country, you can send us an email and say, hey, I want to look at this material. It's important to display it on a smaller level so people know it exists. Because I have met so many people over the course of my time at Virginia Tech that say to me, I didn't know that Special Collections existed. And these materials, they're cool to look at and they're cool to see and remember the history of everything, but they're also can be really helpful to people who are researching these kinds of things and trying to have these questions answered, or who are trying to make advancements in fields now. You have to look back and build upon the work that's already been done. And I think sharing is part of that. Sharing with a broader community in a sense that you want people to realize where we've come from.